how to fix Roblox mobile kicking you out. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are you tired of Roblox mobile kicking you out? Don't worry. Today I'm going to teach you how to solve it in just a few simple steps. First things first, go to your phone settings and then scroll down and search for apps, tap on it and then search for Roblox. So once you find Roblox, tap on it and then scroll down, go to storage, then tap on clear cache. So once you've done that, come back and force stop the app and just uninstall it and then reinstall it again from your Play Store. And if that also doesn't solve your issue, then restart your device. This also helps to solve a lot of issues. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. See you in the